Right, today, so we are going to explain the topic electrical conductivity of liquids. Electrical conductivity of liquids. Okay. So now, generally before that, to prepare the circuit or to conduct the experiment, we need to prepare a circuit. Now we have taken HW battery 9-volt battery. It's a 9-volt battery. Now what I have done? I have connected negative to black wire, positive to red wire. Now, if you observe here, there are the two LEDs. Two LEDs connected in the series. Two LEDs connected in the series. So what do you mean by series here? So LED has two terminals. One is long wire and shorter one. So longer is positive one, shorter is a negative. So now whenever you hold, let us observe the two LEDs connected such that the positive is connected to the negative of the negative of the first one is connected to the positive of the second one. So if we go on connecting in that in the manner, we can call it as a series connection. Suppose if you observe this eye here, it is a positive terminal. Let's suppose right hand, left hand is a negative terminal. Suppose if I hold, just you hold, it is a negative. Left hand is a negative. So first one negative, positive connected to is negative. Is right. Or you can say if it is a first person, it is a positive, negative. Negative is connected to the positive of my hand. So in this way, we can take example. So you understood about series connection. Now generally, you might observe the LEDs at your home. Now what I have done, I have extended the circuit with wires. Okay, now our topic is electrical conductivity of liquids. So now for that purpose you have to take, to have the conductivity we need some source like battery and bulbs. Whether the conductivity is there or not, we can test with, it is acting like a tester. Acting like a tester, these are the LEDs. Okay. Now we are observing the conductivity of liquids. But before that, whether the circuit is working or not, we have to check. So for that purpose, simply you do what you do? You take just two wires. So now what I have done? Just we are going to complete the circuit. So it is called closed circuit now. If I close it by connecting, you are observing the lights, emission of lights. What is the meaning of this circuit? Now the circuit is said to be closed. Circuit is said to be closed circuit. So when the circuit is closed, the current, electric current will pass. Okay. Now you open it. When you open, what happened here? It is observed to be open circuit. The meaning is no passage of current. Now we have to use this one and test in the liquids. Okay. Now let us suppose we are if the bulb glows when you complete the circuit using liquid, we can say that it is closed circuit and conductivity is there. The meaning of conductivity is what? Flow of allowing the current through it. Okay. Now let us suppose I have taken our school water in the beaker and tested. You are observing the glowing of the bulbs, but these two wires are not in contact. So now you can understand that there is observation of flowing of current here. The meaning is this water has conductivity, nature of conductivity. Okay. So this is our general water, our school water. Okay. Now let us take, you have to clean it and you keep in the oil, hair oil. Now you are observing that there is no conductivity, there is no glowing, so there is no conductivity of liquid. Okay. Let us suppose. So this is a vegetable oil.
This is water, drinking water.
So our general drinking water here, it's glowing. So now, where we do not get the glowing of the bulb or observing the glowing of the bulb, you can say that liquid is a bad conductor. Bad conductor. Okay? Good conductor and bad conductor. So if it allows the current and conductivity is there, it is good conductor. If it does not allow, then it is a bad conductor. Now you can classify from our 4, we have 2 are bad conductors, 2 are good conductors. So now, you see here, this is good conductor of electricity, right? So current allowed, electric current is allowed through the liquid, okay? So now children, so till now, what we have learned here, so using this simple topic, we know the source of electricity. So battery acts as a source, and we observe there are 2 terminals here, positive and negative terminals, and we are understanding the concept of series connection of the bulbs. Okay, series connection of the bulbs, and we understood the open circuit and closed circuit. Open circuit, this is the open circuit. Now we can arrange a switch here, or we can connect this one, then it will glow. It is acting like a closed circuit. So these are all the fundamental concepts what we learned from this experiment. And you observe that some liquids allowing the current. So good conductors. Some are not. So they are bad conductors. So this is a concept where you can learn in your higher class also. This same concept can be used in your 10th class also. Okay. So very good experiment. So open circuit, closed circuit, conductivity process, and what is a battery, what is a LED, how do you connect LEDs in series, everything you can learn from simple experiment. Okay, so thank you.